Hey guys, how you doing? Today another tip. I just got back in. I did some videos earlier this morning, and the market was on fire. I came back in. I started seeing stuff is plummeted. The market is red. It's not a good day for anyone that's holding stock, but it's a great day for anyone that's looking to get in the market. Now, another tip I have today is Wells Fargo. Yes, the stock is trading currently at $26.14. We know that this stock was trading early of this year just around $50, $45 to $50 per share. Now, it's a great discount, great opportunity with this investment. Now, I did read this morning that there was an agreement with Shell for reusable energy for 1,200 of their properties in California, and also in California, I believe. Let's see the agreement that they have here. Don't want to mislead anyone. It says the agreement would involve the development of new utility scale solar installations in several counties, the lender said in a statement. Wells Fargo did not disclose the size of its investment, but said it would be able to meet the energy needs of about 1,200 properties in California and mid-Atlantic states. So we definitely know there's some noise that's making there. They're actually positioning themselves to do some saving to make some money. Now we do know that the stock and they have 4 billion plus shares outstanding. They have a market cap of 113 billion. Right now, we know the book value per share, which is important right now, is $45.27. So this is a huge discount compared to the $26.13 it's trading. We do understand as well that you have a great upside if you look at the next few months coming, the next 4 to 6 months. And the main thing as well, guys, it has 7.4 dividends. So definitely, it's a great if you're thinking long term to save money, and if you don't want to take a huge risk, then I'll definitely suggest that this stock is one of the best option out there with a 7.4% yield. If you think about your bank right now, with most high savings account in the bank, I'm not a banker, but I'm thinking it's anywhere from 0.005 to some guys offering 0.1, 0.105, depends how much you are investing, of course, in the bank. So for sure, if you're looking for something just to save money in a great upside, you're thinking if you have a 10,000, if you have $10,000 that you want to invest right now, is 2613. In 3 to 6 months, if the market goes as expected, then for sure you're looking at least a $7,000 profit, as well as the dividends that you will be collecting. Now, if you ask me, it's a great opportunity for anyone that's interested. But again, I will never suggest for you to get a stock or to force anyone to purchase any investment. That's a decision you have to make. I'm simply I'm simply just providing opportunities that I see on a daily basis, and I share with you guys for free. I'm not in the market of selling anything. I'm just providing the content. If you guys are interested, you can do your own research to find out more information. But as we're speaking right now, we can see the stock, if you look on a year basis, was definitely averaging around the book value per share on $45 or so. There's a few instances it goes up in the 50s and so, but up until this year, up until the pandemic, you can see in January it was trading well over $50. If you look at the decline in February, 47, and these numbers, this downward trend that we're looking at, it's main particular because of the coronavirus that was in China back in December, and a few cases start popping up in January, February in the US and North America and Europe. So you can see most of the investment companies, the trend line actually comes down in the same fashion, right? If you look at the retail stock, the financial stock, the traveling stock, most of the companies is the same trend line you're looking at. Everything comes down nice and smooth until it gets around March, the week of March 18, 19, 20, where everyone drops rock bottom. It's the same pattern for most of the investors. Okay, so it's a great opportunity. It has a great upside to it. And with the dividend yield, definitely I would recommend. Right, it's definitely one of the best option, and I strongly recommend that you do some research because he has a great opportunity to make some money. It's very has less risk compared to some of the other guys that's on the market currently, and with the upside in place and the price per share right now, it's 50% lower than the book value. So it's definitely not a big um, it's not a big decision to make if you have the money and if you want to invest for sure. It's a great it's a great time to enter the market. Now we have seen a bit of a pullback with the market today, particularly with most I would say since yesterday. There's been a big like pullback since yesterday open. As you can see, open up at 28.21 on a market close. It closed just around 27.20, but then as you can see, market opens up lower at 26.70, and now it's at 26.12. So market is officially closed in a few minutes. But again, you could see the trend. If I go back 10 days, you could see on the trend here, right? So it's normally at market open, market close. You can see seems to always come back down to 26. So if you look again, market open just around 27, dips a bit, 27.50, plays around throughout the day. Then next day market opens lower at 26. Then of course rise a little bit up to 28. Next day market open higher at 29, but then dipped a little bit at 28, then and I retract again. So it's a pattern that you can do some research. You can do some back testing to see what you can get, but definitely that you will have to make a decision. I think there's still a few cents that you can still play in. I don't see the market returning right away in this week or next week. So there's still time to think about it. And for sure, it's one of the safer bets out there, especially with the dividends. It's very attractive. So if you do go in and if the stock does go down 5 or 10% at least, and we do know we have a dividend there to make up any losses in the near future. Again, guys, I want to thank you for watching my video. I like doing this. I like sharing. If anyone out there have any tips or any stock that you may think are good to share with the group of people here, please, that's what I want to do. I want to build a YouTube like an avenue where I could share my info, you could share your info. If you guys are commenting, we could see what works. We could pick a few out. If I see some stocks that you recommend there, I'll do some research to see if it's something I want to endorse or I want to make a video of. And if you see the same, it's all a sharing game back and forth. So again, I want to thank you guys, and hopefully you guys invest wisely, smart, use risk management, and protect your capital at always, and try to make some money. There's a lot of money to be made and a lot of money to be lose as well. So you just got to be careful. Okay, guys? So I want to wish you well. Have a great evening, and I'll see you for some more videos tomorrow. Hopefully, I'll try to go on a live view while I'm trading. But again, I hate trading and be distracted. That's why I only make these videos now when I'm not trading, because it happens in the past that I'll be making a video, especially that I do Forex as well. So sometimes I'm on the Forex market, and then this computer, I have a few screens running my regular market for the New York Stock Exchange and the TSX as well. So I hate I don't have the I only have two eyes, so I can't be doing the videos live and watching the Forex market and then watching the stock market. So I will try to carry as much as I can. If I see any good pickup, then I'll definitely put it straight to you guys. All right. So again, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, guys.